Good day. We're here to present our milestone one. And I'm here with,
Harold Baltasar.
Fortunato Rios.
and we're the innovators. First slide. Yung, the role. I'm Navalta Ivan Jude P, and my background, strength passion is M1 maker. My role is CAO because I can plan and do things. Next.
I'm Harold Baltasar. My passion is M4 more computer. My role is CEO.
I'm Fortunato Rios. My friend merchant. My role is CFO, and my rationale behind taking up this role is managing money persuasive.
Persuasive. Next. Problem statement. The problem that we identified as worth solving is that student has fear of failing. This can lead them to a low self-esteem. Next, we found that approximately 90% of the customers that we interviewed are facing this problem. Currently and sadly, they are managing this problem by some of them is cheating to pass exams, reflecting to their mistakes. We use the following tools to arrive at this finding by interviewing them via social media. Next.
Problem interview report and analysis. Question. Number of customers interviewed. Response. 10 customers. How many of them agreed that the problem identified is a pain point and they absolutely need a solution to it? 9 customers. How many of them said that they are managing to address the point and don't really need another solution? 1 customer. Describe the general describe in general the demographic of the customer who agreed that they badly need a solution to the problem you have identified. Most of our interviewee is a student, and some of them stated that this problem needs a solution. How are these people for whom the problem is painful copying the problem
Coping.
now? By cheating, but some of them said you need to accept and learn from your mistakes.
Next.
Solution. We the innovators propose to create an application called Quiz Tester application to solve this problem.
So
Fortunato.
our solution will address the customer problem than the existing alternatives. So by using their phone and answering question on a certain topic that they will input, the solution can be paired on some existing solution because you will fail, but you can try again without consequence. Next. So our back of the envelope calculation based on what you require in back of the envelope calculation student handout fill up below. So our product or offering our product is 75 pesos avail to fill our application. So projected our projected per month is 126,952. Then our projected sales per month 1,500 to 2,700 sales per month. So revenue per month is 200,000 to 200,000 to 225,000. So profit per month is 75,540 to 98,048.
Next. The conclusion. Based on our findings and analysis, this product is very feasible because the developing of the application is cheap even though it needs update and moderation. it still costs around 10,000 pesos. The student can download this on the App Store in a very cheap price. This application can be very useful to those students who's eager to pass every exams because the application gamifies studying to trick your brain to learning. The students can try a lot of times. They may fail, but the students can learn from that and try again to have the correct answer. That's our milestone one. Thank you.